Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, wireless module, and display panel assembly. Removal. Carefully separate the display bezel from the display enclosure. Important: the bottom edge of the display bezel is secured with adhesive. Lift and remove the display bezel. Replacement. Place the display bezel into position on the display enclosure. Apply pressure around the outside edges of the display bezel until it snaps onto the display enclosure. Note: ensure that the display bezel around the hinges is completely snapped into place.